Hello, this is the Pinoy Tech Lead and we'll be having a DVC tutorial to get and update data. Hello. Let's try to do the DVC. So how do we get to make use of the DVC? If you could check the repository, we have a SRC DVC guide at txt, and there are three important packages that you need to install, and it could be installed using pip or whatever Python package management that you have. Now, since this is a demo, I'll go to the DVC demo here. And from DVC demo, let's do a tree. So this one has already, okay, let me clear that up. So here, so it's all clear. So, mhm. So we have no directory here. Okay, there's no content. So I do a tree, there's nothing. Now we have to clone the project. So in order to clone the project, we just do a git clone the repository. So you would see that it would appear over here. So yeah, while cloning, we have to wait a bit for that one. And yeah, da, 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 da. Now it's already continuing to clone. And we'll do a dir or 3. Dir or 3 using Windows. Not sure if in Linux install the 3 command. So three of you could see here there's no SRC data. So I'll show you on the um, Explorer here. You go to the SRC, then you would only see a data.dvc. So this one is needs to be cloned up. So we use the command dvc pool. With the dvc pool, make sure that you have access to the shared folder. So I need to get onto the then blah, blah, and then I have to do a 3, make sure, and dvc pool. So it's now querying, and since this is a new connection, it will give you a URL. You have to copy this and go to the location to authenticate. It will give you a key. So when you have the key, you have to copy it. Okay, you just allow it. So this key is the one that was needed. Google will provide this for you. You paste it and run it. Now it's already authenticated. So the computer is already registered on that location. So since you have already did a DVC pool, and you could see that it's already located on SRC data here. See? And the directory structure was already cloned here. DVC is like Git. You could issue a DVC status. DVC. Yeah. Let me check. It's like Git. And since it's like Git, you could work on different commands. DVC pool, we did that one. DVC status. So if you change something here, you would do a DVC add at some point. See, you have to provide files. So usually you go to SRC and let's say go to data and let's say go to input and create a directory task one, check the naming convention that we have. It's not responding for a while. So for example, this one task 01 underscore data source, for the input. Let's do a 3. Okay, that's under that. So it's how it looks like. So it already, and then I could check the DVC status. Mhm. So it still says data and pipelines are up to date. So I might need to create a file inside that one. So let me check that one. Let's say I create a file inside this one. Let's create a text file inside. Let's see, test.csv. Mostly Git won't save the empty folders. You need to create some sort of test files that's empty. So when I run DVC status, it will be able to detect the changes. See? So it says that there are changes. Since there are changes, and I go to the DVC add. Uh, as far as that's the folder, that's data.dvc file. So yeah, it's currently checking the graph. I should be able to update it. So I'm on Windows, so it's forward, it's backslash instead of forward slash. As you can see, there is a git command. You should execute that. So I did a git add, and then yes, of course I have to do a commit. So I added task one folder, for example. and then I could push that one to Git. So what was saved was only the tracking. It's not yet synced to the DVC, so you also have to do a DVC push. Check the status for that one. Should be able to push it. Mhm. So it's transferring and it's already pushed. And DVC full check. Okay, it's everything is up to date. So the new changes were followed, and that's how you use DVC. And if I delete this one folder, let's test. Let's have a test for that one. So we should be able to restore the newly created folder and file under input folder and the tax 01 data source folder. DVC pool, oops, DVC pool. Huh? Okay, now we're pulling the data and should restore the whole data structure. Let me check that one. 3. You can see it's there. And check it over here. The test.csv should be inside. Okay, it's there. So that's how you use DVC. Thank you. Yeah. Anyway, this is for the architecture team, and this is Rowan. Rowan Hira. Thank you. Bye.